Good morning, children. How are you all? Yes, I hope you are fine. Did you understand the poem? There isn't a time? Yes, I hope you understood. Today, shall we complete the textbook exercises? One is from the poem, and another one is rhyming words and writing skills. Yes, children, how to find rhyming words? Let us see. Yes, and also you have exercise on rhyming words. Yes, children, shall we do it now? Yes, before that I will explain you how to find a rhyming word for a given word. Yes, children, shall we do it now? So this is from the poem. This exercise you have to complete it. Tick the correct answer to complete each sentence. After giving the tick mark for the correct one, you are supposed to write in the given blank. As children, the poet has all the time to do what she wants, very little time to do what she wants, no time at all to do what she wants. Among these three, which is the correct option? You have to give the tick mark for the correct box. Yes, children, after giving the tick, the correct option you are supposed to write in the given blank. Then the second one. The poet wishes she could visit every beach, climb all the mountain tops, stay in different cities. What does she wants to do? So, climb all the mountains. Yes, children? Then you have to give the tick mark. And this answer you are supposed to write in the blank. The third one. The poet wants to travel the world to see new places, meet new people, see new places and get to know new people. So she wants to do both things. So we have to give the tick mark and complete the blank. The fourth one. After doing everything, the poet could then want to write a play about her experiences, compose a short story about her experiences, write a poem about the remaining things she wants to try. So which is the correct one? Yes, the last one. That means third one is the correct one. So you have to give the tick mark and you are supposed to complete the blank. As children, did you understand this exercise? Yes. Then today we are learning about rhyming words. Before learning rhyming words, let us write the date. 30/9/2020. As children? Yes. Rhyming words. Rhyming words we learnt in class 1, class 2. As children, we learnt rhyming words in class 1 and class 2. How to find rhyming words in the poem. This is the poem which you learnt. There isn't time to do the things I want to do. Let us underline the last words. Let us underline the last words. Once again I am repeating. There isn't time. There isn't time. How are you pronouncing? Time. Yes, children. Next. To do the things I want to do. So, what is the last word? Do. So, is it pronouncing time, do or going the same pronunciation? No. Do is another pronunciation. Time is another pronunciation. As children, now Let us go to the third one. With all the mountain tops to climb. To climb. To climb. Yes, children. Next, and all the woods to wander through. To wander through. Understand, children? Now, how to find the same rhyming word? Time, climb, climb. So, these both words are going together. How? Time, I sound. Time, sorry. Time, then climb. Time, climb. Next, do, through. Do, through. So, do, through. Oo sound. Do, through. Oo sound. Yes, children. So, tie, I sound. Cly, I sound. So, these both are pronouncing together. These two words are pronouncing and these two words are pronouncing. Yes, children. Did you understand how to find the rhyming words? Yes, from the poem? Yes. But here you are given the blanks. For those blanks, you are given unscrambled letters to make a rhyming word for the underlined word. Yes, children. Let us open our textbook, page number 13. Page number 13. In page number 13, you have to see. Solve these riddles. What are these riddles? Unscramble the letters to find the answers. Unscrambled means already the words are given in scrambled. Scrambled means disordered. Yes, children. Then you have to make it order. First, we wear it in winter. We wear it in winter and it rhymes with boat. So, what do you wear in winter season? We wear sweaters. But what is the sweater? Yes, here you have to see the spelling. Can you get the spelling of sweater? No. So, what is the exact word? Coat. Boat, coat. Then these two words are rhyming words. Yes, children? And again, it helps you go up and down. Go up and down. And rhymes with pairs. Rhymes with pair. Pairs. So, what is the correct one? How do you find? When you want to go to the first floor, how do you go? By using the steps. Yes, children. What do the name going up? What do they say? Here, can you guess the spelling? Steps? No. So, what is that? Stairs. So, stairs is the correct one. Understand, children? Like this, you have to complete 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in your textbook. Yes, children, you have to unscramble this one. Unscramble these letters. Already these letters are in scrambled. You have to unscrambled. Unscrambled means right correct form of the word. Yes, children, did you understand? Next, you have page number 14, writing skills. This writing skills you have to write in your notebook. Suppose you are given pictures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. So this is the family of Mehta. So on Sunday, so Sunday is a holiday for everyone. On Sunday, their family members are doing their own hobbies. This is family time, dining, lunch time. What does she doing? What does she do in her free time? What is her mother doing? What is her father doing? What is their hobbies? Understand, children? You have to look at the picture and you have to write sentences by using these hints, these words. As children, their hobby is, you could write their hobbies by seeing the pictures. Their hobbies: reading, playing guitar, watering the plants. So gardening, again you could take gardening. Her mother is doing garden work, or her mother is gardening. As children, you have to frame the sentences and you have to write in the notebook. As children, frame the sentences, look at the picture and frame the sentences by using these hints. Will you try? I hope you will try. Though it is wrong, you try to write the sentences. At least 8 to 10 sentences. Yes, children? Yes. After writing, please send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Once again, I am repeating your homework. Your homework is from page number 12 from the poem. Tick the correct answers and you have to write rhyming words and writing skills in the notebook. Yes, children, after writing, you send to me.